Guys, you want to catch Matala is actually very dangerous. And I've said it on my videos, especially beginning of the year. I used to say, na last year a bit. Where I used to say, I actually do believe it's Oyena or John Wick. Yeah, because I'm getting. He is hardcore, bruh. The stuff that he's doing, this guy, and has done, is in another level. And you say, oh, sweet Konyana, pretty boy. And then you're just thinking, no, we ass boy, yeah, but he big five. No, actually, he was ruling them. In fact, I'm picking up other things now that security was actually testifying there. I'm like, I don't know. Even that hit, Tebogo Chobejan, I really believe in it now. I'm just like, no, he did put it off. Gege. Hey, in the BMW, number AK-47 and bullets flying. Hey, this guy, the way he's explaining it there at the High Court in Johannesburg, I'm just like, oh my gosh. Oh, Vusimuzi, Ket Matala. Just as much as I feel good, he is actually dangerous, right? Ket Matala, but I feel good also. Unama assassins that work for him. The court said brothers the security guard was actually contradicting himself around what happened on the day when you saw the PM. Uti was busy shooting at them. He actually shot at least about 5 bullets. Uti, one of the people in the BMW were shot by him. That is what he's claiming anyways. Mind you, lo. Oh, the one who's testifying there at Ket Matlala's trial, hey, that guy speaks. He's just like, I'm not going to leave any stone unturned. I'm not playing with anyone. Yeah, I am going to expose uMatlala ni entourage yakhe. Ngoba uthi there was a Ferrari that came in, and then there was also a Golf 7 that came in, but a BMW came just before midnight. The white BMW. Uthi the 2 men that actually came out of the BMW with the AK-47, then they started shooting. One bullet missed him, but he took cover, working with his colleague now, shooting at these guys now. I'm just like, and these guys were actually parked near the Ferrari, a complete Ferrari, and the Golf 7. Ucele at some stage told the court, actually, actually they asked him, how many trees did you see when you were trying to cover yourself? And there was even a blumpout of some sort going on. He was just like, yes, Lama, those big at the estate, because it's an estate where the shooting occurred. So he's like, they you see these big flowers. And then, but so how many trees were there? Also, no, I wasn't hired to be counting trees. I was hired to be a security guard. This guy speaks. When they asked him about his rifle, mine was actually a 9mm. Yeah, like the whole thing, you can't compare that to AK-47. Yeah, he did actually. This guy, Ocele, exposed quite a few things, but the judge was just like, when it comes to the footage that was given to the court, he was just like, no, that is not going to work. Not today anyways. Like, can we maybe have that later on once it's checked properly by the defense and the state? Is it even going to work? Of what happened on the day, that the video, basically the CCTV footage of what happened on the day, it's even gonna help so that we can see Ucele if he's even telling the truth. At some stage, guys, I really feel he was telling the truth, because he was a bit overwhelmed at some stage. They even gave him water. He wanted to cry, literally. I was like, and they didn't like how he's answering questions now. This guy, Mr. Khovia, is someone from the defense who's asking questions about Mr. Sibanyoni. Uti, no, I didn't work for Mr. Sibanyoni. But you were shooting at Mr. Sibanyoni. Uti, no, I wasn't shooting at him. And also, I don't work for him. I work for him through another company, a security company. So it's a defense. If you look at the state witness is hostile. I'm just like, wow, guys. But unjani manje nalo uphendula nje into zakhe, and bathi nakhona AK-47 bra would have doubled you like in another level you've never seen. There's no way you can compare a 9mm to an AK-47. Ngoba that's a useless pistol anyway. Cabanga kusho uMsegovia lo with defense. He was just like, there's nothing like that. Guys, I don't know. He keeps on changing. God, this guy, the security guard, he keeps on changing his way of answering. And they just like in the statement, that's not what you said. You're saying other things. So there's just something going on.